Join me as I dive into the world of TRON crypto and challenge myself to find the best strategies to make huge profits in 2024. You know, as the crypto market continues to evolve, one cryptocurrency that's been making waves is TRON. And for good reason. Its innovative approach to decentralized entertainment and storage has captured the attention of investors worldwide. With its strong developer community and growing user base, TRON has positioned itself as a major player in the industry. And if you're not paying attention to it now, you might be missing out on some huge opportunities. When it comes to navigating the cryptocurrency market, investors often face a common set of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the sheer amount of misinformation out there. With so many conflicting opinions and unrealistic expectations, it can be tough to separate fact from fiction. Another challenge is the volatility of the market itself. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a matter of minutes, leaving even the most seasoned investors scratching their heads. And let's not forget about the complexity of the technology behind it all. Understanding the nuances of blockchain and cryptocurrency can be overwhelming, to say the least. Add to that the risk of security breaches and scams, and it's no wonder investors are often left feeling anxious and uncertain. And when it comes to TRON specifically, investors may struggle to identify the best entry points or understand how to diversify their portfolios. But despite these challenges, TRON has managed to carve out its own unique niche in the market. One of its standout features is its focus on decentralized entertainment. Think music, video, and even gaming. By leveraging blockchain technology, TRON is able to provide a more equitable and transparent platform for creators and artists to share their work. This has led to some innovative use cases, such as decentralized streaming services and NFT marketplaces. And with its fast transaction times and low fees, TRON has also emerged as a viable alternative to traditional payment systems. But what really gets me excited is the potential for TRON to integrate with other emerging technologies, like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. Imagine a future where smart contracts and decentralized apps are the norm. It's a mouth-watering prospect, to say the least. So what does this all mean for investors looking to make a profit in 2024? In my opinion, the key to success lies in understanding TRON's unique strengths and weaknesses. By identifying areas where TRON shines, like its gaming and entertainment ecosystem, investors can start to build a more informed investment strategy. Another important consideration is diversification. Spreading your risk across multiple assets and use cases can help mitigate losses and maximize gains. And let's not forget about the importance of staying up to date with market trends and news. In the crypto space, things can move at lightning-fast speeds, so it's essential to stay adaptable and flexible. Finally, I think it's crucial to approach TRON with a long-term perspective. Rather than trying to time the market or chase quick gains, investors should focus on building a solid foundation for sustainable growth. So to summarize, we've covered the potential of TRON, the challenges that investors face, and some key strategies for success in 2024. I hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you have any thoughts on TRON or its potential, please leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about investing in cryptocurrency and building wealth, be sure to check out my other videos and content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.